All right, y'all, I've been walking forever. We're gonna try the windy side. It's freaking cold, but maybe this wind is blowing stuff up into this cove. I also don't think they want anything that's sitting still, or if they do, I can't find them, but I put on a little jig with a little Bobby Garland and a little spinner, sickle hook. We'll see what that does. All right, we're gonna walk back to the truck and find another spot, because this right here, this is communism fishing. It doesn't work. Hey guys, what's up? My name's Austin. You're watching Fishing Fever. We're back here at the pond. Gonna try to catch some bait. Can't be here very long because I've got a scheduled live that I'm gonna do on the James River here this afternoon. It's a sunny day. If you're wondering why I forgot my sunglasses, it's because my name is Austin and I forget things. Anyways, let's see if we can catch a couple bluegill, maybe some crappie, you know, whatever we want to catch. It don't matter. We're just trying to have fun. I think that's a 1/16 hand-tied jig by Dave over at Double Hook Angling. Link in the description. He ties some awesome stuff, so y'all give him a shot. I don't know what the water temperatures are, but the sun is out and the wind is actually at a different direction than it normally is when I fish this pond, so I don't know what the fishing's gonna be like today. I just hope that we luck into something. The fish in my area really like the blue and the white, so I'm hoping that's why I special ordered these hand-tied jigs, because they look so good. Oh, we got something. Oh, a little bass. Well, well, well. I don't really want to keep him for bait. We need brim and crappie. Next cast. Good brim. Whoop. Throw him in the cooler. Oh, I forgot to get ice. Oh well. It's not terribly hot today. Oh, that cooler stinks though. I don't think I washed it out last time I had shad in it. Whoops. Alright, so there's fish randomly up in this cove right here. We just got to keep casting and hopefully hook into enough of them to go catfishing. That's what I like right there. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That might count as two. Oh yeah, had them deep colors. Got some size to them. That's what I like. Great day right at the bank. That's awesome. Calm down, buddy. I'm not gonna eat you, but something else might. Haha. Dang, that cooler stinks. Why didn't I wash it out? I usually do. I guess I just messed up. What was that? That's 4 of them in there. Get a couple more. Haha. He hit that pretty hard. That's awesome. I love catching bluegills. Ugh, that's nasty. He just got that slime all up in my mouth from the bottom of that bait tank. Right, let's see if anything wants to fight over here. Usually I'm good for at least 1 bass over here. From Double Hook Angling's hand-tied jigs, then I'm fine with that. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Y'all have a good one and keep on fishing.